Hello, this is Ella Moshe, aka Farmer Eddie. You know what? It's a jungle out there. But today, we're gonna save Private Cantaloupe. Today, I wanna save my cantaloupe. It tastes so good, but I can't let it go. Went into the garden. Every day I was watching it. And then one day I found a hole on the side of it. Like, what? What's going on? So I dug the worm out. You see the hole there on the cantaloupe. You can see the hole. I dug it out. Now I'm gonna put duct tape on it. All right. I'm sure it's gonna work. So I'm gonna do my work. I'm gonna save Private Cantaloupe. This is a big job. Okay, you gotta get ready. I'm almost quarantining this cantaloupe. So now, hey, now I'm gonna put on my gloves. All right, saving Private Cantaloupe, saving Private Cantaloupe. Extra large supposed to work on my hand. It better not burst on me. Just give me a little tear there. I gotta do this job, saving the cantaloupe. Yeah, I hurt my fingers playing basketball yesterday. If you want to play me basketball, I'm going to tear you up. Alright? You want to play one-on-one? Alright. But today, I don't think I could use... let's see if I can get my finger in there. I sprained my finger. Not too bad. Wow. Oh, man. I see it turn again. These stuff sometimes so cheap. Good. At least the fingers are not broken. Let's turn the dramatic music going a little. Drama. We're gonna try to save Private Cantaloupe today again. If you watch the whole again, it tastes so good. That's why I gotta save Private Cantaloupe, man. I can't let Private Cantaloupe go to waste because Private Cantaloupe does a good job when it goes down into my stomach. And I feel so good when I eat Private Cantaloupe. Good job. See the tape? Nice and black. Keep all the light out. All right. So now let's tape Private Cantaloupe. I hope I do a good job. Hold on. You can feel it covering up all the. Making sure that no air is getting in there so it wouldn't be, no oxidation wouldn't take place. No mold hopefully wouldn't grow. Alright, see? Private Cantaloupe. Today we're saving Private Cantaloupe. I know it's kind of small, but when it ripes, I don't care. Right now, most of the cantaloupe in the garden is they're coming to an end, so I'm gonna save as much as I can because I love the cantaloupe. It tastes so good when it's really ripe. This is Ella Moshe, aka Farmer Eddie, saving Private Cantaloupe. In the next video, we're gonna show if I was able to save the cantaloupe and make it ripe. Next time we get back, we're gonna see if I save Private Cantaloupe with duct tape. Okay, where's my gloves? Okay. Saving Private Cantaloupe. We're not gonna let anything go to waste. See you later.